floated in the basket down the Nile? Who watched as Moses floated in the basket down the Nile? A. Mary, B. Miriam, C. Hannah, D. Ruth. A. Mary, B. Miriam, C. Hannah, D. Ruth. Go!
Paulit-ulit kaya pag-untugin yung ano. Ay!
Boards up! Boards up! Boards up! Boards up! Boards up! Boards up!
Yung munang ibaba yung mga boards nyo.
Huwag mo nang ibababa ang mga boards dahil ang tamang sagot ay B. Miriam! At makikita, ulitin ko, wala muna. Bakit po ito sa Exodus 2 po?
Jesus begin his ministry. At what age did Jesus begin his ministry? Letter A, 20, B, 27, C, 30, or D, 33. Go!
Boards up! Ang tamang sagot ay
Letter C.
makita natin.
So, ang tama sa C, lahat ay sumagot ng letter C maliban sa Taguig A and Bulacan A.
Boards up!
Which tribe did Saul belong? To which tribe did King Saul belong? A. Naphtali, B. Levi, C. Benjamin, or D. Dan? A. Naphtali, B. Levi, C. Benjamin, or D. Dan? Boards up. Bulacan A, correct. Bulacan 2, mali. Taguig A, mali.
Fence up!
About that. What name did Jacob give to the place where he dreamed about that? A. Betuel, B. Luz, C. Padan Aram, or letter D. Bethel. A. Betuel, B. Luz, C. Padan Aram, or D. Bethel. Go! Answer is letter D. Bethel. Tasam 2. Was thought to be drunk while praying to the Lord for a child. Which woman was thought to be drunk while praying to the Lord for a child? A. Rachel, B. Hannah, C. Abigail, or D. Sarah? A. Okay, boards up, boards up. And the correct answer is letter B. Hannah.
Ating tamang sagot ay B. Hannah. Okay? Ay, ba't nagbubura na po? Teka lang po. Okay. Lahat po ay nakatama ng lahat po ay may tamang sagot maliban sa Bulacan A, Bulacan B, Zamora, and then Sabutan. S1.
His father-in-law would deceive him by giving him his eldest daughter instead of Rachel. What was the name of Jacob's father-in-law who deceived him by giving him his eldest daughter instead of Rachel? A. Laban.
Okay, boards up po. Patingin na sagot ay letter A, Laban. Okay, so yung tama. Bulacan B, tama. Binangonan A, tama. Binangonan 2, tama. 18, tama. Yun lang.
Okay na ba? Okay, next. Which king in history got leprosy? Which king in history got leprosy? A. Hosea, B. Uzziah, C. Jehoshaphat, or D. Ahaziah? A. Josiah, B. Uzziah, C. Jehoshaphat, or D. Ahaziah? Go! The correct answer is letter B. Uzziah.
4 points. Bulacan 2 may 5 points. Taguig 1, 2 points. Taguig 2, 3 points. Binangonan 1. Pwede palipat ng cursor doon. Nakita ko. Yan, 6 points. Binangonan 2, 5 points. Sabutan 4 points. San Quintin 6 points. And then Zamora 3 points.
Which disciple replaced Judas Iscariot after Jesus' resurrection? Answer is letter A, Matias. Ano po ng Bulacan A, Binangonan 1, Kabutan 1, Binangonan 2, Taguig 2, and BPC and Zamora. The first recorded person raised from death to life. Who was the first recorded person raised from death to life? A. Tabitha, B. Jesus, C. Lazarus, or D. the son of Zarephath's daughter? It's letter D, the son of Zarephath's daughter. At wala nakakuha ng 13 verse 21. How many days was Lazarus dead before Jesus came to visit? How many days was Lazarus dead before Jesus came to visit? A. 3 days, B. 4 days, C. 6 days, D. 7 days. A. 3 days, B. 4 days, C. 6 days, or D. 7 days. Go. And the correct answer is B. 4 days. Bulacan 1, Bulacan 1, Taguig 1. Yun lang. Hands up, guys. Number 11. Who was David's son that started a rebellion against him? Who was David's son that started a rebellion against him? A. Absalom, B. Joab, C. Amnon, D. Adonijah. A. Absalom, B. Joab, C. Amnon, D. Adonijah. Go! Correct answer is letter A. Absalom. At Taguig. Wala, joke lang. Binangonan 1, Binangonan 2, and 1, SQ, and Zamora.
Were the first witnesses of Jesus' resurrection? Again, who were the first witnesses of Jesus' resurrection? A. Disciples, B. Roman soldiers, C. Women at the tomb, D. The Pharisees. Again, A. The disciples, B. Roman soldiers, C. Women at the tomb, or D. The Pharisees. Go! 28, 1 to 2, and Luke 24, 1 to 10. Tama, except Sabutan. When did Jesus rise from the dead? Again, when did Jesus rise from the dead? A. On the same day he was crucified. B. On the second day after his burial. C. On the third day after his death. Or D. After 40 days in the tomb. Again, A. On the same day he was crucified. B. On the second day after his burial. C. On the third day after his death. Or D. After 40 days in the tomb. Go! Boards up, boards up, boards up.
What I? Letter C. On the third day. Ipan sa Zamora.
Did God provide for the Israelites in the wilderness as food? Again, what did God provide for the Israelites in the wilderness as food? A. Bread from Egypt. B. Manna from heaven. C. Fish from rivers. Or D. Fruit from trees. Again, A. Bread from Egypt. B. Manna from heaven. C. Fish from rivers. Or D. Fruit from trees. Go! B. Manna from heaven. At matatagpuan po ito sa Exodus 16:4.
1, Binangonan 1, Sabutan 1, SQ, and lang.
Where did Jesus perform his first miracle? Again, where did Jesus perform his first miracle? A. Bethlehem. B. Cana. C. Nazareth. Or D. Jerusalem. Again, A. Bethlehem. B. Cana. C. Nazareth. Or D. Jerusalem. I. B. Cana. Matatagpuan 2, 1 to 11.
Tama, Bulacan 2, Binangonan 1, Sabutan 1, Taguig 2, yun.
Ayan, so, para sa ating unang question, was made king of Judah at 7 years of age after having been hidden for 6 years. Again, who was made king of Judah at 7 years of age after having been kidnapped for 6 after having been hidden for 6 years? Sorry. A. Jehoshaphat, B. Hosea, C. Ahaz, or D. Joash. Again, A. Jehoshaphat, B. Hosea, C. Ahaz, D. Joash.
Boards up! Boards up, boards up. And the correct answer is letter D, Joash.
At makikita po natin ito sa 2 Chronicles 24:1. Primary message of the Sermon on the Mount. Again, what is the primary message of the Sermon on the Mount? A. Political leadership principles. B. Temple worship rules. C. Kingdom values and righteous living. Or D. Israel's national laws. Again, A. Political leadership principles. B. Temple worship rules. C. Kingdom values and righteous living. Or D. Israel's national law. Go.